Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your own song to a Snapchat story. So, let's get started. First, make sure your Snapchat app is updated to the latest version. Now, open the Snapchat app on your phone. On the camera screen, tap the music note icon on the right side. This will open Snapchat's music library. At the top, tap on My Favorites, then select My Sounds. Here, tap on Create Sound. You'll see two options. Choose Upload from Camera Roll. Now select a video from your gallery that contains the song or audio you want. Snapchat will automatically extract the sound from that video. Next, adjust the audio timing if needed. Give your sound a name and tap Save Sound. Now go back to the camera screen and record a snap. Tap the music icon again and select your saved sound from My Sounds. Once everything looks good, tap Story to share it. And that's it. Your Snapchat story will now play your own custom song instead of the default music. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.